Get it started. Grow some freaking muscles.
With this right here?
I don't. Oh yeah, ish. Yeah, kind of, sorta. Oh come on, Garrett, you can do it.
It's okay.
Oh come on, turn it.
I'm scared.
Turn it. Garrett, would you freaking just turn it already? Get it done with?
How much oil is gonna come out?
I don't know, Garrett. It's probably a lot. It's probably gonna explode all over you. Hurry up. Just don't get my rag dirty.
Oh, I feel it.
Oh, Garrett, you missed.
What? No, I didn't.
Garrett, take it off. Hurry, so it explodes. Take it off. Just use your freaking hand like a man.
It's hot.
Garrett.
I just drove
No,
this
it's
thing.
not. Oh, Garrett, get my rag out of there. You're getting all dirt. You're missing, Garrett. You're spilling all over the place. Oh my. Garrett, you're spilling. Put it on the oil pan. Oh.
I thought you said it was security passage.
Garrett, you just proved that a circle can go inside of itself when that's the only shape that doesn't. Now clean up your mess.
This rag is so messed up.
Garrett, just give it a nice little wipe down. Garrett, you forgot a spot right there.
I don't want to die.
Oh, get in there, Garrett.
I can't believe I finished it.
Yeah, just break that off, why don't you? Garrett, what are you doing inside of your engine?
I can't lift this thing high enough to pour it.
Garrett, here, let me give you some vision.
This thing doesn't go high enough. Wait, can I take this? Can I take this off?
I don't know.
Please don't get it on me. Please don't. Oh.
Garrett, what are you doing inside of your truck?
I'm trying to pour some oil.
Is it working?
Yeah, kind of. I really haven't missed too much, so happy about that. But
Garrett, you realize you're getting that all over my ground.
no, I'm not. Oh, maybe a little bit.
Oh my.
Wait a second. Wait a second. This could be genius tactics. Are you still filming?
Oh, of course I am.
Okay, I guess I have to do it like this. Oh, I didn't know I could pull those.
Well, you can until you break them.
Well, they're hot. Do you have that rag?
The old famous rag. Hold that.
I can't really get it out.
Would you hold that? Where's did you Garrett? It's a weapon. Do you want to go fencing?
Yeah. Actually taking lessons next week. Man, this thing looks a lot dirtier from the last time.
It's all those donuts in the school parking lot. Are you kidding me?
Oh, no, no.
Oh. Hold that again. Garrett, it's like...
Hey, keep the camera steady.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, right there. Here, take this back.
I got too many things to hold. Here, I'll put put that like that. Oh, don't touch it. I got it. All right, now I can't see. Move that. All right, now pour it in. Don't pour it on me.
Inside the truck?
Yeah.
Because it's easier to access it like that.
You're
Cold out
missing.
here? What?
I'm trying to get every.
Garrett.
Oh my goodness.
Here, I think you gotta go get a new funnel.
Well, with the big one, it should be easy. With the full
What are
one,
you standing on?
His
my
frame.
frame.
Oh.
Oh,
Here, I need the rag. I need the rag. We're good. We're rolling. Garrett, don't spill. Garrett, don't spill.
I'm not.
Come on, Garrett.
She's steady. She's steadily going in.
Garrett, whatever you do, do not spill. Oh, you spilled. Garrett, it's all over my driveway.
There's a lot of things all over your shirt.
Garrett, your wallet's hanging out of your pocket. I'm gonna pickpocket you. Is it in yet? Garrett, you're gonna spill. You're gonna overflow it.
I can't stop it.
How much did you just put in? I think you just put in all of it.
I've got 1.5 quarts left.
1.5.
So should I just fill
Check
in
it,
that
check
left
it, check
half?
it. You're already in there. Might as well check it. Dude, you gotta clean it off first and stick it back in.
You think I'll be famous?
After this, yeah. Oh, I'd say that's full. Wait, wipe it off now? Now let me see it. Oh yeah, I'd say that's full. Put it in one more time, let me check. Uno mas, uno mas.
You can put that back in there.
I don't know if I can. Let me check her out. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're good.
Alright.
Alright, now we're gonna... Here, you just started a video.
I know. I'm saying, I'm closing it off.
Oh, you gotta close it off.
Well, I would say this was a success, but a fail at the same time.
Good freaking job, Garrett.
I got it all over, but it's new oil in there, so, I mean, I guess it's a job well done. Well, I guess that's the end, huh? Thanks for Brandon for helping out.
Freaking Garrett.
Jeez. Alright, adios, guys.